Hello for the best treatment of piles, fissure, fistula, hernias, appendicitis, breast cancer, gallstones, pancreas diseases, thyroid and parathyroid diseases at Hameed Latif Hospital Garden Town. Visit Prof.Zahid Mahmood, Laparoscopic and General Surgeon, or call on 0300 4130159 for appointment. Preventing gallstones involves maintaining a healthy lifestyle and dietary habits. Here are some tips. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity is a significant risk factor for gallstones. Aim to maintain a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. Eat a healthy diet. Consume a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid or limit foods high in saturated fats, cholesterol, and refined sugars. Include plenty of fiber in your diet, as it can help prevent gallstones by aiding in digestion and reducing cholesterol levels. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help prevent gallstones from forming.
Pick 2-star products that can represent your brand most. Introduce them as the leading roles of your giveaway campaign.
Highlight some great features that your viewers probably like, or the features that can solve their problems. Introduce your giveaway campaign in details. There can be many ways. For example, let viewers use a secret code to subscribe, or let viewers share this video to win. Most importantly, you have to introduce the process correctly.
You can also mention your earlier campaigns and upcoming event plans to attract your viewers' interest. Also gain some confidence.
Before ending your video, you can thank your viewers and welcome them to take part in your giveaway campaign. Don't forget to leave your contact information.